Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z5 by seamlessly connecting it to your computer for effortless file transfers, powerful remote control, and even convenient webcam functionality. First things first, let's get our Nikon Z5 ready. Ensure your camera battery is sufficiently charged, as a dead battery can interrupt the connection process. The Nikon Z5 uses a USB-C port for its primary connection. Take the included USB-C cable and firmly plug one end into the USB port on your camera, then connect the other end to a compatible USB port on your computer. Once connected, your camera might display a USB connection mode on its screen if given the option. Select the mode that suits your needs, typically MTP for file transfer, or PC control for remote shooting if you're unsure. Starting with MTP is generally a safe bet for file access. To take advantage of advanced features like remote control or to ensure the most reliable file transfer, it's highly recommended to install Nikon's official software. Head over to the Nikon website and search for Nikon Camera Control or your region's equivalent software. Download and install the latest version onto your computer. After installation, launch the Nikon Camera Control software. It should automatically detect your connected Z5. If not, look for a Connect Camera or Find Camera option within the software's menu and click it. Your camera should then appear, allowing you to browse your photos, transfer them, or even control camera settings directly from your computer. For webcam use, it's a similar process, but you'll want to ensure your camera is set to the appropriate USB mode, often labeled webcam or live view if the option exists on your Z5. Then, in your video conferencing or streaming software, select the Nikon Z5 as your camera source. You might need to install additional Nikon utility software specifically for webcam functionality, which can also be found on their website. When you're finished, it's crucial to disconnect safely on your computer. Before physically unplugging the USB cable, use your operating system safely. Remove hardware or eject feature to ensure all data transfers are complete and prevent any data corruption. Experiencing connection issues? First, try a different USB cable and a different USB port on your computer. Restarting both your camera and computer can also resolve temporary glitches. Ensure you have the latest firmware installed on your Nikon Z5, which can be updated via an SD card, and that your operating system and Nikon software are also up to date. If the software doesn't detect the camera, verify that the correct USB connection mode is selected on the camera. By following these steps and keeping your software and firmware updated, you'll establish a reliable and efficient connection between your Nikon Z5 and computer, opening up a world of creative possibilities.